One of the easiest and perfect way you can whiten your model eye is this. Now, come here, then come to your black and white. You can see this is black and white. Come to your black and white. Then here now you can see, let me bring it down here so that you guys can see it properly. So here now you can see, okay, let me put it here. So you can see this is red and this is yellow. You know, the yellow control every yellow part in the eyes, every yellow part in the skin. So that is what the yellow control. You can see, controls every yellow part in the skin. Why the red control the vein, vein, they are always showing red. So why the red control the vein? So now I will said, when you are doing your adjustment, when you are using this black and white panel to whiten your model eye, you can reduce the yellow a little, then take the red up a little. You can see you take it up a little. Yeah, this is okay. Then you click Control I to hide the layer, just for you to control the parts you want to apply the black and white. So all you have to do is to reduce your opacity to 40, either 40 or 50. Yes, you can put it either 40 or 50. Leave your flow at 70 to 60. So all you have to do is to apply it on the eyes. You can see it's going to whiten every part of the eyes. You can see this black place. It won't whiten this black place. It will only whiten the yellow place of the eye. It will only whiten the yellow and the vein, so on the red vein on the eye. So you can see now, this is one of the best way you can whiten your model eye. And when you are whitening your model eye, don't whiten this red place. Yes, don't whiten this red place. Once you whiten this red place, it become artificial. This is one of the quickest way to whiten your model eye. You can see before and after. So this is how you can do this, and you will easily achieve a good result. You will easily achieve a good result. Try this and thank me later. Don't forget, we edit photo for photographers and non-photographers. In case you are looking for photo editor to help you carry out your photo editing, we are always available.